Hello and welcome back to My Dryer Vent Guy. We are located in Glenville, New York, just north of Albany. And today I wanted to talk to you about the importance of venting your dryer to the outside of your house. This is not an option to say, well, maybe I'll vent it in the house, maybe I'll vent it outside of the house. Building code clearly dictates, as you can see here, all dryer vents must be vented to the outside of the house, and they must be independent of all other appliances. Here's a few pictures where people have actually tried to make their own indoor dryer vents they've gotten creative, using 5-gallon buckets, plastic hoses, again, against building code and a fire hazard. Here's one where it's going into like a Tupperware container, again with a plastic hose. This is just a fire waiting to happen, plus all of the mold and mildew that can grow into your house. Here's a common indoor dryer vent you can buy at one of the big box stores. You pour a little water into it to catch the lint, and the rest of the moisture blows into that bucket. Again, totally against building code, legal to sell, just not legal to use. And here is another model of essentially the exact same thing. On this picture, this was an actual customer that I went to. Someone hooked up an indoor dryer vent for them, and you can see it mounted on the wall. This is in a little closet where their washer and dryer is and their hot water tank. This closet is maybe 5 feet long by 3 feet wide. But what's even more shocking is if you look at the top of the hot water tank, that is a gas hot water tank. If the lint ever managed to fall and get in contact with the flame underneath that, this whole house would be in trouble. I don't know what the person was thinking that hooked it up, but the new homeowner knew immediately it was not right. And they called me, and I went out and we installed a real professional, legal for building code dryer vent. Again, this is My Dryer Vent Guy in Glenville, New York. If we can help you out with any of your dryer vent needs, give us a call. Have a great day.